Oh man. The first. What the heck is that trolley? God. Man, what is Kevin done with his face? Is he gonna kick in the mother cage and you'll feel like you get your forks?